Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video we will learn how to change image on hover in WordPress using Elementor free version. In this tutorial we will not use Elementor Pro or Elementor any extra add-on as well. I am sure after watching this video your mind will blow. But before blowing your mind, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. That's why it's inspired me to make this type of helpful WordPress video for WordPress learners and WordPress users as well. Okay, let's get started. Very first, let's check which we are going to build through this tutorial. This is my website and home page. If you hover over on image, you can see the image has been changed. And in this tutorial, we will do it with Elementor free plugin only. Okay, no pro version and no extra add-on. So go to the admin dashboard and hover on pages, click on all pages. Already I have made a page, image hover, and I will add this section in this page. So edit with Elementor, click on this plus icon and take a new section. This is the flex box and I want to give it full width and it will be 1905 pixel. Okay, and I want to give some padding. Top will be 90, right 60, and bottom will be 90, left will be 60. Okay, now I want to give a container, that's why it will be 3 column. Okay, so again take another container. I hope you will know how to work in Elementor flex box. Okay, duplicate and duplicate. This is the 3 container and I want to convert it into column. Layout and click here. Okay, this is 3 column. Now click on this plus icon and type here image box. This is the image box. Just drag and drop here. You can see the image showing very small. We have to give 100%. So navigate to the style tab and this is the image, just give with 100%. Okay, now it shows perfect. Then click on this pencil icon for edit, then content and choose image. I want to upload image from my computer, so upload, select file and give image 1, open it, select, now publish. And let's check how does it looks. Okay, if you hover over an image, you can see it's single image. Okay, now we have to an image. When we will hover on it, then the image will be changed. Okay, I can go to the editor and just give some text, then it will look better. Okay, give some padding on bottom like 50 pixel. Okay, now it look good. Okay, now this is the image widget. Okay, now we have to give an image background in this column. Okay, this is the image and this is the column area. So select this column and navigate to the style tab, then the background type, click on this classic and image, click on this image. Again choose an image, upload file. This is the image, open it, select. Okay, you can see the column background has been set. Now we have to fix it. So scroll down and position, we want to give this image top. That's why our image stay in top. So position will be top left or top center. Okay, want to give just top left. Okay, then again attachment will be default and repeat, no repeat, image will not repeat. Then display size will be contain. Okay, you can see it looks almost perfectly. Let's publish it. Then again refresh this page. You can see the background image is showing. Now we have to fix it. You can see there are 2 images. Okay, so again go to the editor and select this column and navigate to the advanced tab and give padding 0. Okay, now again publish it. You can see on image is showing. Okay, then again now we have to add the hover effect here. Then again go to the editor and click on this image. Okay, click on this image pencil icon, then navigate to the style tab. Scroll down, you can see this is the image. Okay, then click on normal and opacity will be 1. Then click on this hover tab, then opacity will be 0. Okay, now publish it, refresh the page, hover. Okay, you can see it works perfectly. Really, it's very amazing. We did it with only Elementor free version. Then again you can see the image has been changed quickly, so we can add some transition here. So give transition like 0.3, we want to give 0.6, publish it. Okay, maybe it's perfect, and you can do it in this column in same way. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks.